Are you looking to grow your YouTube channel? Well, a good way to create traffic on your YouTube channel might be to create a playlist on YouTube. And if you don't know how to do that, well, I'm here to show you, and it can easily be done even on your phone. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is open any browser, and then on the search bar here, just type in YouTube Studio. So tap right here at the first option, you see YouTube Studio. So right now, just go ahead to your playlist section. That's right here. You can see the three bars right here at the third option. Now at the top right corner, you'll see new playlist right here. So just tap on new playlist, and then just type in the name that you want your playlist to be. So once you've typed in your playlist title, you can choose the visibility, and for now I'm going to keep it on private, but of course you can do it to your liking. There is public and unlisted. I'm just going to keep it on private, and once you've done that, right here at the bottom right corner you'll see create. So tap on create. So if I zoom out, you'll see right now that my new playlist is on top. So next thing you want to do is go to your content, which is the second option right above the playlist. So just go ahead and tap all the videos that you want to add to this new playlist. So I'm just going to tap the first one right here, and then once you select it, at the left corner, once it's ticked black, you'll see a black heading right at the top. So third option, you'll see add to playlist right here. So tap on add to playlist, and then you'll be given a list of all the playlists that you have. So we're going to tap on the new playlist that we have just created, and then once you've done that, right at the bottom of the pop-up you'll see save. And that's it. You have added your new video to that playlist, and if you want to check it, you can just tap on the playlist icon right there, and then just tap on the new playlist that we have just created right here, and you'll see that it has been saved into the playlist that we have just created. So that's it. You have successfully learned how to create a playlist on YouTube channel. If you want to know how to create playlist on your personal YouTube channel, then just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.